Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on this device. Alright, so firstly, to enable Google Assistant we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and find Google option. Now we have to click on all services, search Assistant and voice, Google Assistant, and now right here we are in the Google Assistant settings. Here we have to scroll down and find general option. If it's turned off, we have to just click on this button and click turn on. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!